know how to create Google Forms to collect data with our step-by-step tutorial. Open your Chrome browser. Click on Google Apps icon. Scroll below till you find Forms, then click. If you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button below, like and share this video. Click on Forms. Expand this to see other form samples. Here you can choose to make your edits using the already existing form. Please hit the subscribe button if you have not done so. Click on the plus icon to create a new form. Here is the form title. It can be your company name, etc. We have B for bold, I for italic, and U for underline. Choose any option that best suit. Here insert the question. Click on where you see multiple choice and change it to short answer. By the side here are useful tools. The plus icon is to add another question. Just like before, insert another question here. Allow this in multiple choice. Reason because users will be given multiple options. Change the option 1 text to your preferred option. With me typing male, we already have female. Prefer not to say another as suggestions. You can add all or select your preferred one. Add a new question by clicking the plus icon. Insert your question. Don't skip a part in this video. You might miss the important parts, and please subscribe. Change this to short answer. Follow the on-screen process. Use my affiliate link below to buy a laptop at a discount price. Check recommended videos below description. Here we are creating a file upload section. Change the multiple question to file upload. Click on Continue. Here you can set numbers of files to be uploaded. Here you select the file size to be uploaded. You can drag drop at any position by holding the left click and dragging. Click on Publish. You can click on Manage to choose options for responders. Mine isn't already in any one with the link. Click Publish to publish form. Click on the eye icon to preview form. Here is a preview of our form. Anyone with the link to this form will be able to answer questions accordingly, and you will be able to collect their data. If this video was helpful, subscribe, like, and share. Comment Google Forms below. Thanks for watching. I love you.